Debbie with Debbie'sKitchenCorner.com, and today I have something very special for you guys. FedEx just dropped off a box from the Misfits Market in front of my door, and so I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to show it in front of the camera, what's in the box, what the produce looks like, so that way you can see why it didn't make it into the grocery store. I also will show you later on in the video on how much I paid for it and how much it costs in the grocery store. So is there anything which makes sense to buy it from them? Also, this is my first package. I wanted to do for myself, look for myself if this is something I want to continue. So at the end, we will compare the prices between what I paid and what it would cost in the grocery store. Without further ado, let's open the box. Okay. Very nice, actually. And pig. It's smaller in the grocery store. Mushrooms. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, it's all organic. Butternut squash. By the way, this is an endive. This is for my husband. This is almond butter. This 6 red potatoes. Actually, they gave me more than 6. They gave me 8. I know the 2 are small, but it's great. And this one is kale. Leaf kale. Onions, red onions. Then I got radies. They look really good. And there's some cooling packages. Cucumber. And this is some curly kale. A butter salad, a butternut. They're the Bartlett pears. So we got a couple carrots, and they of course look different than in the store. Interesting. Those are the real ones I remember from my grandma's garden. Some leek. Oh, and I got another cucumber. I only ordered 1, I got 2. That's cool. I got a red leaf, butternut, and another onion. So overall, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I don't see much of a difference than in the store except the carrots. The radies are definitely bigger than in the store, so that's kind of cool. But now I will go and look at the prices and we can compare and see if we actually got something out of this. So while I was going through my list, I realized a couple things. Those are not radies. My German side came through, sorry about that. Those are radishes, but you knew that anyways. And those are not carrots. Those are actually sweet potatoes. And I only ordered 2 and I got 4, so that was kind of nice. I think this is the only mess up I made, but I went through the list and I did a comparison with Safeway, some with Walmart. So the total saving of this order was $18.25. That's a big saving. Let's compare the pros and cons real quick. So the first benefit is that it is all organic. Another benefit would be that you save money over the grocery store since it is all organic. But the biggest benefit for me is that I don't have to go outside to the grocery store, go in my car, spend gas, spend time at the grocery store. No, it gets delivered all the way to my door. I can just get up from my sofa and get the package. For me, that's the biggest benefit. Now, the disadvantages I can see are that you can't literally pick it out yourself, look at the fruit or the vegetable and put it in your cart. Some people, for that's a disadvantage. But I have to say, the vegetables and fruit I got looked really decent, so I don't have a problem with that. Another disadvantage could be that if you don't care for organic, then yes, if you go to the store and buy the regular fruit, non-organic, it'd be definitely cheaper. Another one might be that Misfit doesn't have all the produce you want. They only have certain things because it's in season right now. So that might be a disadvantage. Then another small disadvantage is that the minimum order is $30. But I have a solution to that. Down below in the description, I have a discount. It's a code for $10 off your first order. So if you're not sure if this is something for you, go try that discount code, get $10 off your first order, and see for yourself if this is something you would like to do. But for me, you can't beat it. $10 off for trying out something? That's great. Misfit will email you every week saying, hey, the store is open, pick your produce. If you only want to do this once, it's totally fine. Just ignore them, unsubscribe, whatever you want to do. Me personally, I use Misfit Market now every 2 weeks because the produce for me lasts quite long, so I only have to order 2 weeks. And there's another thing I want to address regarding this. I have seen quite a couple of videos on YouTube saying, oh, my produce only lasted for 2 days. Really? If you store your produce correctly, if you get wet produce in the package, just wipe it off with a paper towel and put it in the fridge, put it in storage bags. My produce lasts about 7 or 10 days, depending on what it is. It's really all about storage. It's not Misfit's problem if you don't store it correctly. Of course, Misfit Market isn't for everybody, but it's a winner for me personally. If you have any experience, comments, or questions, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. It'd be very beneficial for the community to see your experience. And if you have a question, as I said, I'll be more than happy to answer it if I can. If you got any benefit out of this video, please smash the like button, and I will see you in my next video.